everybody, it's Michelle, and I just wanted to pop on here and give you guys one more quick idea for your garden party themed table decorations that we've been working on. First, I did my flower pot napkin fold, and you guys saw after that I used some of these little chalkboard clips for actual flower pots for our utensil buffet. And I remember saying I used 3 out of 4 of the pack, and I would find a new use for that 4th one. Now, if you do this idea, you may have to buy more because you're not going to need just the one. But this was the idea I came up with. And I think I'm going to turn it this way this time so we can clip it onto the edge of our napkin fold there. And just write names on here, and you can use these as place cards for your seating arrangement. And I thought that would be super cute. So now we use the one, and we're going to have to buy many more for all the other place settings, but I thought it would be a really cute idea. You could just put each person's name so they'll know where they're supposed to sit. And they could even take it with them as a little party favor. And I think that is super cute. I'm just going to clip it to my little loose ends here of my napkin. And again, you could use the chalk markers. I'll leave the links to those for you guys again. And I might work on trying to get some of those to try out for you guys too. But in the meantime, this is my cute little idea for the mini chalkboard place cards for your garden party theme. And I've got a couple more ideas for the garden party theme, so keep an eye out for that. I hope I get time to do those videos. I hope you guys like my little place card idea. Be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.